Welcome to our tour of Obstructed Balcony Cabin 4064 on Queen Anne. The cabin is a nice size with a queen bed that can be converted to twins. There's space below for storing suitcases. We love the decor of the cabins and it feels pretty spacious. There's a small sofa by the balcony which we really liked. There's a small bedside table either side of the bed with a lamp and 2 drawers. At the far end of the cabin is a vanity area with a large mirror. This is also where you'll find your kettle and tea and coffee making facilities. There's also a mini fridge, but there's an additional charge for these items. A bottle of fizz is provided on boarding day in each cabin. The wardrobe storage is quite good in this cabin, with long hanging space and some shelving. There's also a large safe. A tall wardrobe can also be found next to the bed for additional storage. This is also where you'll find your bathrobes and slippers. The bathroom is a decent size, but is very modern. The only storage in here is the shelf below the sink and some small shelving above. The shower cubicle is large and shower gel, shampoo and conditioner are provided. The view from the balcony is obstructed by lifeboats, but you can see over the top of them so it doesn't completely block your view. There are no other obstructions to your view above or below. The balcony itself is a really nice size, with 2 chairs and a small coffee table. It's a really nice space, and if you don't mind an obstructed view, this is a great cabin to choose. There's more than enough space for 2 people. We didn't stay in this cabin, so we can't give a review based on experience, but if you're looking to keep the price down, it's a great option of cabin. There's plenty of space for 2 people sharing, and it feels like it would be a comfortable stay. Our friends stayed here, and they really liked the cabin. What do you think of this cabin? Would an obstructed view bother you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found our video useful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for future cruise videos. It's completely free to you and it means a lot to us. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.